This is Pete with BananaHobby.com. Just doing a little fun thing for you guys today. We got these new little 3-channel helicopters in that I just found extremely fun. And they're flying, the way they look, the cool little LED on it, and I thought I wanted to share it with you guys. We have it up on our website at BananaHobby.com. They're under $40, and I think they are a great stocking stuffer. Anyways, they are called the FireBird 3-channel infrared little helicopters, and basically they are extremely indestructible from what the company has told me. And I was flying it earlier and I was banging into the wall and things like that, and they held up great. Wonderful flying characteristics for a little 3-channel, extremely stable, and just a ton of fun. This is for everybody that wants to fly. You can fly it with one hand and just hold the throttle and it just sits there in place. Just love this little helicopter. It's just a lot of fun. Like I said, great little stocking stuffers, you know, and for the kids and everybody, because the blades are extremely soft, and when they hit you or anything like that, it's not going to hurt. So what makes these a great all-around little 3-channel helicopter. You can learn from it, have fun with it, do some like obstacle flying indoors and things like that, and just have fun. Anyway, the FireBird, available at BananaHobby.com, comes with 3 different colors here. We'll give you a little bit of a closer look here. As you can see, it's got a real nice aluminum frame. Really cool blades there. It's got a little LED in the front, and then it's got a little tail motor in the back that's going to give you your forward and back movement controls. All right, let's just go ahead and fly it for you guys. Now, the transmitter on. Let's go ahead and fly the red one first. Sweet. Look at that cool little LED there. Okay, we got a solid green light right there on the helicopter, which means we're good to go. Look at that. Hands-free for a little 3-channel. Just sit here with one hand and just control the throttle.